Welcome to House of Party. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Squid Game balloon garland kit. In your kit, you will receive 3 bags of 10-inch, 2 bags of 5-inch, 3 bags of 12-inch, 2 bags of 18-inch, your bag of foils, glue dots, garland strip, extra string, 2 hooks. Few helpful items you may need: hand pump or an electric pump. Now let's get to work. Okay, now step 1, we're going to blow up all of our balloons. First, we're going to start with the size number 12. I'm using my electric pump, but you are more than welcome to use your hand pump, but this is a lot faster. So to get the round look, you want to release a little bit of air and press the top of the balloon. You're going to do this with all of your balloons to get that round look, just like that. Now with your 18-inch, if your balloon's looking a little egg-shaped, you just press on the top and release some air to give it that round look. With all of your 10 inches, you're going to want to make sure that they have more of a rounder shape, not too big, just like that. If you are using a hand pump, when you put your latex balloon in, you're going to want to push it in all the way and just pump like this. Now with the 5 inches, you can make them smaller or a little bit bigger. You can have fun with these. Now our confetti balloons. If you want your confetti to stick around the whole entire balloon, you can add a little bit of water in there and shake it up and then add your air and then go ahead and tie it. Just like that. And now for the foils. In your foil bag, you should receive a small straw. With the straw, you can insert it into the valve and go ahead and blow. Or if you have a hand pump, which is a lot faster, you can go ahead and do the same thing and then go ahead and start pumping. You can do the same step with all of your foils. Once your foil is blown up, you want to make sure to just grab a little bit of tape, tape the back to make sure that air stays in there. Get another piece of tape if you're not using the little hole for anything else, and you can tape it back to the straw and it's out of the way. Now that all your balloons are blown up, it's time to connect all your balloons to the strip. Before we start connecting them, you want to make sure to leave at least 3 to 4 holes available to use. At the very end, we're going to hook these to the wall. When you insert the neck to the garland strip, you insert it into the bigger hole and snap it back so it is locked in. As you can see, I have already attached a few balloons here. Going crisscross, you can continue the same process all the way through to the end of the strip. Now it's time to hang your garland. In your kit, you have 2 hooks. These hooks work great on stucco, brick, and drywall. If you are doing it on drywall, I recommend you use some painter's tape to protect your paint. As you can see here, I went ahead and added the painter's tape first, then the hook. Once you apply your hook, make sure to get all those air bubbles out so it can stay placed on your wall. So let's hang our garland. When you hang your garland, you're going to make sure that these extra holes here are available and you just hook it onto your hook, just like that. Now let's work with our 5-inch balloons. With your 5-inch balloons, you're going to want to grab your glue dots and you're going to apply 1 to 2 glue dots per balloon. When you put it on, you're just going to press gently closer to the neck. That way the neck disappears when you lay it on your garland and pull away. And your glue dot should be placed there. And you can just look for either gaps or anywhere you feel that it is necessary. So when placing, all you have to do is find your area, hold it down, wiggle it in there, and it should stay in place. And now for your final step, your foils. If you're planning on putting your foils to your balloon garland, you want to make sure to add some tape to the back of your foil and then add your glue dots to the tape. They just stick a little bit better. You can place your foil wherever you want. I did the same thing there. I have the glue dots here already. So I just wanted to show you, all you do is place it and it should stick just like that. And with that, you're all done. Thank you for choosing House of Party. We hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to purchase this product, the link is in the description below. We'll see you next time.